In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the list view on Google Calendar. This tutorial will guide you through the process for both the web version and the mobile app, making sure you can access your events in a more streamlined, list-like format from wherever you are. Let's get started by accessing your Google Calendar. You can do this through your web browser on a computer or by using the Google Calendar app on your mobile device. Once you've opened your calendar, you should see your default calendar view, which might be set to day, week, or month, depending on your previous settings. Now with your calendar open, let's shift our focus to the top right corner of the screen or your device where you'll find a series of view options. This section is conveniently located next to the settings gear icon, giving you easy access to tailor your calendar layout according to your preferences. In this area, you'll typically find options like day, week, and month views. For this tutorial, we'll be focusing on changing the view to display your events as a list. Begin by selecting the week view if it's not already selected. This will act as a transition step that ensures everything is correctly set before we switch to the list format. Next, search for and click on the Schedule or Agenda view option. This may be labeled slightly differently depending on your device, but the concept remains the same. This option will transform your current calendar layout into a list, displaying your events and tasks in a chronological order, providing a streamlined view of your upcoming schedule at a glance. Once you choose the Schedule or Agenda, your Google Calendar will instantly switch to a list format. Now, all your events will be laid out neatly, making it easier than ever to see what's coming up without scrolling through days or weeks. This view is particularly useful if you have multiple engagements lined up or need to focus on specific tasks throughout your day. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully transitioned your Google Calendar to display events in a list view, ensuring you can manage your schedule more efficiently. This setup not only enhances clarity, but also offers a convenient way to plan your time more effectively, helping you stay on top of your tasks and appointments. Remember, whether you're using a web browser or a mobile device, this feature is easy to activate and provides an accessible way to keep track of your calendar activities. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial improves your calendar experience.